If you want a more formal knot, try a full Windsor. Step 1. Button the top button of your shirt and fold your collar up. Step 2. Drape the tie around your neck so the wide end is on the right side and extends well below the narrow end. Step 3. Hold the narrow end of the tie in place while you cross the wide end over the narrow end near your collar. Step 4. Wrap the wide end behind the back end of the tie. Step 5. Pull the wide end of the tie through the middle of the neck loop from back to front, pulling it through to make the first shoulder over the left side of the neck loop. Step 6. Pull the wide end of the tie to the right, behind the narrow end of the tie. Loop this end over the right side of the neck loop from front to back, pulling through to make the second shoulder. You should now have 2 triangle shapes, one on either side of the knot. Step 7. Bring the wide end of the tie from right to left across the front, creating a horizontal bar. Step 8. Bring the wide end of the tie behind the neck loop, then pull the end of the tie from top to bottom, behind the horizontal bar you just created. Step 9. Hold the knot with your left hand and pull the long end to tighten the knot. Then, hold the knot with your left hand and push the knot up to your collar. Step 10. Adjust the knot if needed. You may need to pinch or pull a bit to make the knot balanced and nicely shaped. Step 11. Fold your collar down and make sure that the tie is covered by the collar all the way around your neck. Go out with confidence, knowing your tie is looking sharp.